Hi there, Newsy family. Welcome back to another exciting video. I hope this finds you all in great spirits. Today we've got something special lined up that's bound to capture your interest and keep you hooked until the end. But before we dive into the heart of the matter, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our fantastic community. And to all our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. You guys are the backbone of this channel. Winter's icy grip tightened its hold on the western US state of Colorado on Thursday, March 14th, as a heavy snowstorm swept through the region, leaving behind a blanket of snow several feet deep. The picturesque town of Aspen Hills resembled a winter wonderland, with snow totals reaching as high as 38.5 inches or nearly 98 centimeters. But the storm's beauty came with a cost. Over 82,000 customers in the Denver area found themselves plunged into darkness as power outages swept through the region. Even the famous ski slopes of Colorado were not spared. Many were forced to shut down due to the treacherous conditions, putting a halt to the winter sports enthusiasts' adventures. And for those trying to travel, chaos ensued. Denver International Airport saw over 800 flight cancellations and more than 300 delays, leaving travelers stranded amidst the snowy chaos. As Coloradans braced themselves against the elements, the city of Denver faced an unusual sight. March, typically a mild month, saw an unusual surge in snowfall, with the National Weather Service reporting an average of 11.5 inches of snow in the city. As the snow slowly begins to melt and life returns to normalcy, one thing remains certain. In Colorado, winter's grip can be as beautiful as it is relentless. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, feel free to leave your comments or suggestions in the comment section below. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing from you.